Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to do another unboxing because this package arrived today from China. It's one of those eBay listings, from China. Basically, they're selling a couple Santas. So I'm gonna uh, post the link below if you're guys interested to purchasing it. It's only take like 2 weeks actually, because I thought it's gonna be 3 weeks, 4 weeks, because it's made in China. No, the the uh, the thing is made in China. It came from China. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this video. Wow. Holy shit. Look at that, guys. The guy, oh my god, box is pretty beat up, but I wonder if it still works. It's brand new, this item. There we go. Oh. All you have to, okay, this. Okay, it's just to find some berries because at this moment I don't have no fresh berries. How would I try this? Oh! I didn't expect this to sing that song because I saw a video. It was a Santa video collection, and the title of the video is Papa Noel, and say this is sings the other version sings jingle bell, jingle all the way, bum bum bum. Oh, what fun! This one sings Snowman. My gosh. So yeah. Wow.